Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete circuits in Poppy Playtime easily. Your grab pack is your most important tool for these puzzles. You will use its extendable hands to connect power from a source to a target. Look for glowing outlets and corresponding connection points. Mastering this simple technique will help you progress smoothly through the game's many challenges. Remember, patience and observation are key to success. To begin, aim one of your grab pack hands at a glowing power outlet. Once connected, hold down the action button to extend the power line across the room. Guide this extended line towards the receiving device or door. Release the button when your hand is firmly attached to the target. This creates a complete circuit, activating the mechanism and allowing you to proceed. Many circuits require more than one connection. You might need to power 2 or 3 points simultaneously. Always scan the area for additional outlets or switches that need activation before you can complete the main circuit. Some puzzles involve moving objects to reveal hidden connection spots. A thorough look around can save you much time. For more intricate puzzles, remember you have 2 grab pack hands. This allows you to make 2 connections at once, which is crucial for circuits requiring simultaneous power. Some challenges are timed, so practice quick and precise aiming. If a connection doesn't work, simply retract your hand and try again. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.